guys, let's learn some vocabulary words for today. Our first word is dogmatic. D-O-G-M-A-T-I-C. Dogmatic. Dogmatic. Meaning: stubbornly sticking to opinions, claiming on statements to be undoubtedly true. Pertinacious. Sentences. Number 1. Many writers at this time held rigidly dogmatic views. Number 2. You can't be dogmatic in matter of taste. Number 3. There is a danger of becoming too dogmatic about teaching methods. Fastidious. F-A-S-T-I-D-I-O-U-S. Fastidious. Meaning: fastidious meaning displaying meticulous attention to detail, hard to please. Sentences. Number 1. He was fastidious about his appearance. Number 2. He is very fastidious about how a suitcase should be packed. Number 3. Everything was planned in fastidious detail. Our next word is deleterious. 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 D-E-L-E-T-E-R-I-O-U-S. Deleterious. Meaning: harmful, damaging, detrimental, inimical, pernicious. Sentences. Number 1. Because I know alcohol is deleterious, I rarely drink more than 1 glass of water. Number 2. It has been proven that smoking is deleterious for health. Okay, so now let's move to a recap. Dogmatic. 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 Fastidious. 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 Deleterious. 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 Okay, bye.